Welcome to the advice column for professional use. Today we are talking about Thunder detergent. Thunder is a highly active, very fast-acting, intense and non-foaming alkaline cleaner. Its formula is fragrance-free. Thunder performs effectively on microporous and absorbent floors. It is an essential ally for the deep cleaning of stoneware floors. The product is indicated for HACCP plans. Thunder must be used on all alkali-resistant surfaces such as cement floors, klinker, clay brick, terracotta, stoneware, porcelain stoneware, industrial and absorbent floors. Do not use on waxed floors, linoleum, rubber. Thunder easily removes stubborn oil and grease stains, soot encrustations and exhaust dirt. Let's find out how to use Thunder. Dilute the product in water according to the degree of dirt. For light dirt, dilute 100 ml in 10 liters water. For medium dirt, dilute 200 ml in 10 liters of water. For heavy dirt, dilute 300 ml in 10 liters of water. Apply the solution to the surfaces to be treated with a monobrush machine or scrubber dryer. For regular cleaning of busy floors, use the scrubber dryer equipped with pad/brush and proceed with washing. For heavy dirt, proceed with the indirect method. Apply the solution with scrubber dryer without vacuuming. Let it act and repeat the operation, vacuuming. For deep cleaning and for cleaning stoneware, use the monobrush equipped with pad/brush and the vacuum cleaner. Spread the solution on the floor, let it act and scrub, then proceed with rinsing and vacuuming. For intensive cleaning, Thunder guarantees a yield of 2 to 3 ml per square meter. For deep cleaning, Thunder guarantees a yield of 20 to 40 ml per square meter. Wear protective gloves and protective clothing. Protect eyes and face.